him old man teabag with teabag khaki. Eh? Where Yanique did you really get in a fair hole? To make all them dirty boy sit down and come and size up them stinking. Worlddawg can't even spell puss. Him can't even spell puss. But you want, Yanique could not even play with my nipple. You think them some them manly? Yeah, take out of the bedroom, but loyal give me raindrops. You and Liar go look at work at the gas station or Walmart. And she you pick. Yanique never make you work. Yanique never make you work, but you pick Loyal and you say you need a job with Loyal. Go look at work. You and Loyal go look at work. You know nice when they're looking at Walmart reflector. How would them call it? Jacket. You know nice when they look. Yeah, drive all your Lambo. Go to Walmart. Lord, them couldn't pay you for your gas. But them couldn't pay you. Go look at work. The vest, thank you. You open many businesses for the people them money, buy many vehicles and collect only for speeding ticket, traffic ticket, police ticket, your crosses, Joe blood up on your shoulder like epaulette. Your crosses, and to all you wicked, you know you left your son Joseph to you saying, Worlddawg, leave the 2-5 alone, man. Leave the 2-5 alone. Eh? And you still insist that you have a bag of man around you. You're bad. You're bad, you're not even a pit bull, you're a chihuahua. Eh? You're not even a pit bull. You're the little dog. You're the little dog who can't even hear back. And you still, you make the boy lose his life and you're going like you want the whole internet show you pity and not Joe's family. Worlddawg go suck your dead mama. Go dig up your mama and your mama bones. We can't eat, you use the rest pick out your teeth. You think a joke? It's the same attitude you have towards Joe's passing. The same attitude. You want the internet to view you after Biggs bite you and throw you over the wall. Eh? But them shoot me. And you come with your hand in a sling. And the next day you not even realize it. Yeah! And you realize that the bullet and that. Aye! The teeth mark upon the hand. When the wicked and evil, when evil days are taken, enjoy your dirty rain. It's true. Enjoy your dirty rain. No, but and it's not lie. Every time Worlddawg come on the app, he's correct. You're too right. You're too right. At the same way Dan did go on with me now in time, me attack against you with Joanna. Because me say, I have no opinion. I have no opinion. Dan, Destiny, everybody will shout for me. Everybody. And 2005, the man who is no longer here said to you, Worlddawg, leave that alone. Leave it alone. And the same thing them did do. Rush up, but when they tell them, say, when you don't know Worlddawg a Judas Iscariot. My friend, you study, you know? Have you study like that, you know, she look in her book. Yeah. Kitchen clean. And the one that me had no clean say, no, caca fart, you want so when me I wash plate and Emmy did I run cross. Yes, so me I wash the plate, them Emmy did just a run cross. Me can't bother with them, I get some rat pies. Yeah. It's just the truth. It is just the truth. And these females, it make me know say, we don't really stand up for females, you know. We just stand up for the ones who don't like. We don't really stand up for females. But when you hear a boy bring down a woman, imagine Mrs. Zandra sit down on Jaden for 1 year straight who him disrespectful to women. And Jaden class who him no want. And Worlddawg have a baby mother bring her down and not come justify his cause. Say my feeling and he's hurting. You could have never give me a bun and then come back and say you're hurt. How we work out that? How a man fit in a household and give bun but yet still hurting? Him say Yanique no do this and Yanique no do that. Alright, Yanique no do shit at all. Let us give that. Right? Yanique no do shit at all, but you tell Yanique to leave her work. Fine, she obeyed. And she leave her work. Worlddawg, what should Yanique do for you when every day they pan live and make an ass of yourself? Who would want a man to sit down pan live? Just a beggar go with a beggar go with so. Might as well when Yanique did come from work, she stop at the light and take one of the homeless man there. So begging is a profession now. When you beg pan the app is a man. Eh? When you beg pan the app is a man.
Yes, my dear, it's a part of the occupation.
A part of the occupation I put it there and you want to know about this? So make it make sense now, peeps. You have your kid in the house. Your baby is the younger one of the two. Your baby is the younger of the two, and you're not even buy feeding and pampers. Come on, Worlddawg, man. You're not buy feeding and pampers, but you plan to send your girl to nursing school. You plan to live lavish with other girl while your baby want infant meal. While your child want infant meal, so all the 23,000 a month go too cute, too sweet, one girl. How that go? How is the 23,000 a month go too cute? How? No, me just want to know. So when them still and a chat on them live, them just a look crowd and views. All I know, no address the fact that, Daddy, the baby want this. You soon send it. You must eat. Cause Yanique now look up for nothing. Yanique now play with your nipple. She now pick you out of your face. She now squeeze bum. And your baby is hungry. And you want all the luxurious treatment like you dip on the resort or at a spa. You want even raindrops. When she come in at the bed, when you come in at the bed, she must kiss you and she ask you for baby feeding. Go suck out your sister then Worlddawg. Group up your sister them crutches and squeeze out them period and drink it. And that if you go down, group up them monthly, charge them. I would talk some things on this. I would talk some things for my life. Listen, you never know. All of a sudden from your block you have sisters. Me never hear you say one of your sisters them send you one galaxy yet. Me never hear you say, see my sister top family people. My sister, we don't want you about your dirty family them. You and your family them come suck with side and back ways. Rest your nose in the way in us if you are little clit.
One to the store, one to the store.
Oh, one to the store, the friend near me down. Huh? One to your store. One to the smoke shop. Oh, thank you, my baby. One to the smoke shop. In a real life. One to it. What your kid accomplished from the smoke shop because you take Yanique picnic and hustle her 5 minutes and know if you come run the mama and ignore the little boy. Worlddawg, anything you get if you take. I remember how you use Amir to make money. And now you abandon the little boy and cost the mummy. I remember. You take the little boy, you teach him all your lingua. And like me I tell, and you make the foreign baby can whine. It's you. But me tell them girl every day, you see, sometimes you take some man, you know, them not have them artists not with it. Me tell them this. Sometimes you live with some man and you're not in their future. but you bring them into your future. Them not having enough for them future, you know? So you better pray say your future come before for them. Because any day for them won't come before yours, you will see the through them. And that is what Worlddawg did to Yanique. I'm tired for tell you now. I'm tired for talk it. You live in a house with a man and you cannot plan in your heart, your mind and your soul the future that you want to have with this man. And you do everything in your powers for this man come up to your level. And when you ever tell me, say no, the man don't have in his future. You take the woman baby, teach him a lingua, show the little boy how to wine stiffly. You understand me? You have the woman baby in the middle of the public. The woman child in the middle of the public. In the public's eye. You have the woman picnic. Only to refuse the entire family now. You wicked. And Daniel lay down over. Daniel lucky me love you, you know. Daniel lucky me love you. Lord Jesus, you lucky me love you, Dan. I say my mouth just a vibrate me. I want to work with Flow at Digicel. But like I'm overseas, it look like an AT&T or T-Mobile.
Ooh, clap that.
Yeah, it's true. Some things we want to talk about Worlddawg, you see. Some things we want to talk about Worlddawg with him old man teabag, with teabag cocky. Eh? When Yanique did really get in a fair hole. To make all them dirty boy sit down and come and size up them stinking. Worlddawg can't even spell puss. Him can't even spell puss. I think the only word Worlddawg know for spelling their word are bottom. Him can't even spell puss. Worlddawg can read, write and wrote. You think a joke? So how you think him going to have reasonability? You ask him for 5 bills to buy the baby feeding. He never grow with no mommy. He never grow with no mother.
But that was a real man, your baby mother should have asked.
Exactly.
She take a map on your dad.
Yeah, but that's true. From you hear some man last name, you leave them alone.
Dad.
Never you take a man when you're dad.
Dad.
Yeah, dad. Didn't she in a bed where she say, Worlddawg, this feeling that Worlddawg. Sometimes Yanique must go, no, it's true. Because I think Worlddawg can wind up the whole feet feel good. He must have a conversation. No, but then I like sister Winnie. Sometimes it make me wonder, and you see, a target like Yanique that is so humble and can even cuss.
And we do anything for man, like.
Yeah, and we do anything for man because that's just somehow we stay now. Because I remember my days. Yeah, man, I remember my days when I used to give my all to man. I used to give my all to man. I have to go back to the boy them and say, give me back my own. I can't function, give me back my own. Every single thing, give me back mine. Some of them have to war and take back mine. A girl like Yanique that is so humble, you're praying on Yanique. That's what you're doing, Worlddawg. You're praying on Yanique. You want her mental health to mash up. You want her physical health to mash up. You want it to be said you left Yanique and she mash up. That is not true and it not go work. It not go work in Jesus' name. The lady daughter have to survive. The lady daughter have to succeed. And all I should go back to you is not our problem. That's her problem. That's her problem. Not our problem. You never know that. Then you think we did that like Yanique and a different Yanique for her not to go back to you. A man and woman. A man and woman. Yeah. Sometimes some people have to get back for left. You never know. Sometimes some girl have to get back with some man to let them properly. You never know. So it is not a problem. You should, to me, it is not a problem. You should go back to him 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, or even 2 years after. It ain't a problem to me. But the problem, you know what is good to me is that you learn a valuable lesson. You learn a valuable lesson. you get a rotted beaten. You never know. You get a rotted lick. Now you understand yourself. So the left are going to be different. You never know. You're going to left in peace and humility the next time if you're not there back. But every man give bun like you want to tell the girl to sit down and take bun. You're not even qualifying a life. You're not even qualifying a life. But you have big speech. Worlddawg, me that shit in a bag and box, yo. Me not lie. Me that mix my shit with both liquid and solid and box, yo. You think a joke? Me say me sorry Yanique never wash off or stay free in the stew peas and make you have a bon appetit underneath she. You think a joke? No, but I'm not lying, man. Man like them, they talk all sort of things. You dry all your blood and mash it out like asham and season the chicken with it. Yeah, I call it paprika. You think a joke? No man, them boy they forget decorated blood. But don't forget decorated blood. You think a joke? And it's just not a lie. This is, you see, this is wickedness. You have a woman where can't cuss. You have a woman where you intimidate. So she's afraid to even speak her truth. And you come out here try go like you're a portion of man. But Jaden, what you accomplished from this, what you accomplished when you come up, nothing. What Jaden accomplished is a little bit more respect to him name. Ella Bella stop it now man. Ella Bella say they even cute. Ella Bella stop it now man. That's why I wonder where some way I take. Him they even tweet. Him not have a cute in him not even tweet. Him not even tweet. Come over the ugly side, Worlddawg. Come, can I take a lot for me, their carry? Come. Yeah. Yeah, come and go on like you're anything. You're sick, drunk for stomach. You're sick. Me sorry Yanique breed for you, for your beggar. Me just sorry she breed for your beggar. God bless the child we born still. Cause everyone need to see sunlight. But me sorry you are the daddy. Me just sorry you are the dada. It's true. They make you want shit. It's true. It's true. Them dirty man, they like compete with them woman because them are woman. A man can't fix Worlddawg nature. Man, boys, all type of boys. Black, white, Indian, Chinese boys. Boys can't fix so no. A man no want. We don't want man, because me couldn't come up here so come class my relationship, so I could never. You cuss everybody, you don't know how to be appreciated. You don't know how to appreciate anything. You don't even know how to take accountability. Me see people genuinely give you, and people are saying you do a lot for the app. Worlddawg, what you do for the app? And that me want your answer. What have you done for the app, Worlddawg? Come, because we're going to draw back for your body at work, you know. We're going to draw for your body at work from in the past. What have you done for the app? Me just want to ask, you know. What you ever do for the app? All you do is rob the app. All you do is come up here and thief and be gatekeeper and destiny swapper. That's all you do on the app. You have not done anything for anybody on the app. Nobody at all. Whatever you come up and beg on the app, you take 99.9% out of it. Me I tell you that. Me I tell you not do nothing for the app. You are all for yourself. Remember, as the World Cup, when you drop out the match done abruptly. You remember when you call Britney and you pack up Britney other things behind the scene and Britney send you $2,000? Eh? You remember? Come to Worlddawg. Remember when you tell Britney say you want her and Yammer out? Eh? Come now. Yeah. You tell Britney say you're gonna marry her and make Britney believe. Remember? Remember what you did? You even did behind the scene on phone call, you know, and lyrics out Britney backside, you know, and you collect the girl money. And all the same come give Britney was one clown suit. I remember. One clown suit. And Britney favor the clown because she have a broad smile like me. And all of a sudden, I want to do that mad girl there, I want to do that this girl here, and hey Britney, you have to go from here, so.
Yeah, don't think I need a man.
I remember. The internet won't remember, but I will. You play woman, you pray and woman. You pray and woman. You help Swissley more than how you help any other female on the app. You did. That's why Swissley do about the same wickedness. Birds of a feather gonna flock together. You never know. You just want to see one female arise on the app. Yo babes want to tell you say you know, and you go on like say a joke and then behind the audience back wanna call them. Yo, yeah. Remember Britney sent you her $2,000 and she want it. She want it back. Before you send Loyal go nursing school, give back Britney her $2,000, break some curse. Break like a curse. Remember Mika did a lot for you. Mika do a lot for you too. Come now Worlddawg, spontaneity. You breeze out them girls. You breeze them out. And them not deserve it. Cause one thing with them girl, them not in the crowd. They are not in the crowd. Spontaneity is a very quiet lady. She's a very quiet girl. And you hear out the girl. You hear her out just like that. And she's a very quiet girl. You did that. And every minute are you always right. You can't go through life being completely right. You have to go into your church. You have to go into your church. Yeah, talk about, Dan them a talk about, and Jaden, 6 days now since that happened, and them, Dan them for remember it. Them for remember it, Dan. And them for always rub it in a Worlddawg face. Them for always, when it comes to Yanique, she never beg, but when it comes to Worlddawg, I will take care of you also and drunk her. Cuss now bring good words. Then when you think Worlddawg would tell Jaden. When you think, thank you very much for your gift there, I threw me a cuss. Thank you very much. If you don't hear me, thank you now. Hear me, thank you now. I want my moderator them. Why my moderator them not thank the people them, man? So, yeah, thank you very much. You understand me? Everything backfire in your face, dirty Worlddawg. Dan them for have understanding. Dan them too careless to when it comes to man. Them very careless. Them must think say them are 19. Them very careless. Them take through other people now. More sense. Big up yourself here. Big up yourself, more sense. Yeah, them too old. Them too old for your defense slackness. Dan them should have walk and teach young girl how to balance man properly. Dan should have lick sense in a Yanique today, dear. Oh, cause we not been through enough. We not phone a storm over now. We not supposed to can cock up phone of foot, phone of blood run back in the tie. Yeah? We don't know for gone a young girl, guide them. And always says about woman. You see the mistake where many girls for go through it because we not look company. We not for back the woman them. Jaden not said nothing wrong. Cause me that tell Worlddawg the same thing too. Yeah, like Worlddawg a girl we keep secret. Worlddawg a girl who bust everybody business. If you shit a road, nobody sit down in it, name it. Cause name it. Cause name it. Cause name it. Cause Worlddawg go want take seat. And him gonna say how I smell so. This. It's true. Yeah. And it's just the truth. It's just the truth, good body people. But anyways, at 211 now over foreign she, yeah, so. Yeah. At 211 now. You see Jaden? No, them not report my life. Which part me there? You see Jaden? Jaden love too much careless company. And at them I go flat Jaden show and I'm tired of talking. But as Jaden said, nobody can tell him what to do, so he have to go find out for himself. You never have to take Worlddawg for your program. You do what you have to do and you keep the winnings and move on. You never have to take him for your program. You think Worlddawg not like come for your program because when you come on your program, you get some highlights.
When Jaden will take my text.
Program. Leave Worlddawg by himself, make Worlddawg wither away. When Plant One did them shoot Misery Love Company, always bear that in mind. You have something going for you, don't make nobody curse it. Because you don't know how long you're going to rain for. Enjoy your little rain. Because I remember when them did a rain and you never rain or drizzle nor dew, they would not even be on screen with you. I remember those days, and the only time Rosalie take you on screen in a Jaden. I want to say this long time, you remember when time nothing going for you? The only time Rosalie take you on her screen is to embarrass you. Always remember that. I remember that. The only time Rosalie take you on her screen and when nothing going for her and she walk away. Let me tell you that. But you see, you appreciate everything, continue appreciating it. May I tell you that when Rosalie talk about call him and tell him say, yo, come on live now, come see what you can make. Let me tell you this. She called you to embarrass you. She called you to make a name for herself. The same thing Worlddawg do to you now, Jaden, by being on your live. You never know that, but you not smart. I you not smart. Because nobody could have never called me because they are encouraging me to make it on the app, but yet still turn on and say, spit in a juice, girl. Remember, she never tell you when you're late. She tell you early before you even blow up. Remember, I remembered. Yeah, I remembered. I remember every single thing. Just in case you don't remember, me there for remind you. Happy kind of people, me love you and I hope Worlddawg get that message here in them pants fun. Little more my babies. Thanks for keeping my company. Big up on a nice clean stay with yourself and God bless you. And watch on a relationship. Never you take a man, we compete with you. Big up on yourself.